Hello, myself Gayatri Vani. Today's topic is instantiation and inheritance. Today's date is 8th of August 2022. So, first of all, we should know about the instantiation. So, basically, what is instantiation? Instance, that means object, and the creating the object is called instantiation. Instantiation, that means to call the constructor. So this instantiation is related to the instance, that means the object. Then what is object? Object is the runtime entity. Object is the very important concept in the object oriented programming. So this instantiation has the very important role in object oriented programming. So by using this instantiation we can create the constructor, or we can call the constructor. So there are two methods of instantiation. First one is by using new keyword, and the second method is by using static factory method. So according to the first method, that is new, the new is the keyword which is used to create the instance, that means to create the object of that particular class. So suppose if we are creating one object using new keyword, then the syntax of that is the class name, then object name, then equal to, and after that we should have to provide the keyword new, and after that again class name. So that class name part, and in front of that we are providing the parenthesis. That part is used to call the constructor. So, and basically it is the constructor part. And another method is the static factory method. In that method the simple methods are used, but unlike constructors, we can give them any type of names. But at certain another point it becomes difficult to distinguish that methods, and this is about the instantiation. By using this instantiation we can create the object. The next concept is inheritance. So what is inheritance? Inheritance, that means acquire the properties of the one class. That means for giving the real time example, like children get the properties of their parents, like that. There are two important parameters in this, that is the child class and parent class. So this child class acquires the properties of its parent class, and this is the inheritance method. In this inheritance, what happens? Suppose if we want to inherit one class, that means if we have one class, that is parent class, and another class is child class, and if we want to inherit the parent class to the child class, so for that we have to provide the parameters like the class name, and after that we should give the keyword extends, and after that the name of the parent class. After that, the main important thing is that there is a super keyword. So actually the execution occurs by only the keyword super. Extend is only used to specify the name of the class. This is about the inheritance. There are three types of inheritance: hierarchical, multi-level inheritance, and single stage inheritance. But in this OOPS in Java concept does not support the multiple inheritance or hybrid inheritance. But if we want to use that inheritance method like multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance, that should be used through the interfaces. That's it. Thank you.